Hey guys, welcome back to another day at Canada Custom Auto Works. Today we got another sweet Ford that just came in and got some new wheels and tires. Scott's going to be going over the build with you guys for this bad boy. Came out great. The customer loved the setup. But yeah, if you guys have any other questions about quotes, pricing, rims, and fitment, make sure you guys hit us up on Facebook, check out our Instagram, and of course, subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Alrighty guys, got this 2017 F350 Super Duty here today. We did some 20x9 UFO 861s. They got a 0 offset on them with these Centennial Trailhog AT. Look like the dirt track, snowflake rated, good for traction in the snow, and they give the truck a really nice look. A lot better than the stock setup for sure. I think this truck looks a heck of a lot better than when it came in. Customers should be super impressed with this. Truck should ride a lot better now. Give the customer the traction he needs for this winter. Look at those tires. Lots of grip to them and quiet on the highway. Makes for an amazing setup on this brand new F350. Look at that. 6.7 liter power stroke. Truck got tons of power. So it should be good for these tires. Alright guys, talk to you.